Hey, thanks for coming out, Dave.
Oh, you're a winger? Man, you look like a defenseman. Well, what do you do for work?
Well, Mr. Hockey Player, CamInstructor works hard at creating training content for teachers and students that makes learning SolidWorks, Mastercam, CNC programming, and operating Haas CNC machines relevant and interesting. Because we believe that there is more than one way to learn. All of our training material is available in books and
Full
online.
Pass Manager. I'm going to click on Parameters and I'm going to move into Depth.
Our training material is designed so it can be used as part of course curriculum and self-study. This makes it easier for students to learn at home at their own pace, without distractions, as well as at school with the support of their teacher. Supporting videos are provided for all of our training content. Rather than being inundated with the same question asked by numerous students, the teachers can redirect the student to the relevant video, which frees up the teacher to help students in the shop. So, Mr. Hockey Player, helping teachers teach Mastercam, SolidWorks, CNC programming, and how to run a Haas CNC machine is what CamInstructor does. Back to you, Dave.